Alright guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Yonex Astrox Attack 9, which I've been using for about 3 months with the company string. As you can see over here, now I have changed, or I have replaced the company string, the factory string, which is in white color and the Yonex logo. Okay, so I've been using that for about 3 months, and I'm playing three times a week regularly, 3 times a week regularly. And I will say the factory strings comes in between 20 lbs, something like that tension. The tension will be the factory string tensions will be around 20 lbs tension. Let's approximate it like that. And I will say it's very playable. It's very good for recreational purposes. It's very good for recreational purposes and even for some light competitive games. So for people who just want to have the rackets for a long time and who just want to play for recreational purposes, they can just go for that and play with the factory string as long as it's good. And yesterday, yesterday, which is 30th July 2025, I go to the stringer and I told him to string this racket with BG65, Yonex BG65. Okay, I bought it along with this. So this is the black color Yonex BG65. I bought it from Amazon, and it's and I got it delivered in the authentic Yonex BG65 original BG65. So this is the original BG65, and I told him to string it 23, 24. The main I asked him to string at 23 lbs tensions for the main strings and for the cross strings at 24 lbs as recommended by Yonex because this is even from many YouTubers, it is said that this is made from a basic graphite. That's why you should not go beyond 26 lbs, which is around 11.8 something kg tension. And when I go to that stringer, he used the old machine which is not electronics. He's telling me if you string at 23, 24 lbs, it will be just like the factory string. And so he suggests me to string at 13 kg. Actually, he suggests me to string at 14 kg, and I asked him, that's going to be too high, please string at 12, which means around 26.5 lbs tension. And he said the stringer, because he's the only stringer in my area, I have to respect him. I cannot just argue, so I'm so reluctant to change his opinion. So I just tell him, okay, get it strung at 13 kg, which means this is more than 28 lbs, 28.5 lbs tension. Okay, I'll just hear the sound. For beginner rackets, it's very high, I know that, but last night I'm playing with this rackets with this tension 13 kg tension for around 8 matches, and we had a class 2-3 times, but 2 of them was just a minor class, and one was quite with me and my partners were trying to hit the racket at the shuttlecock at the same time, so we clashed, but luckily it's not breaking. I'm so thankful. And I have many YouTubers, expert, self-claimed expert, if you strung at 28 lbs tension and hit at the frame, it might break. That is what they are saying. Or even if you hit at the non-sweet spot area. Sweet spot area is this part. This is the sweet spot area. Okay. If you hit any elsewhere in other than the sweet spot, it might break. That is what they are saying. Not just that, I'm clashing with this racket. I even hit on the frame many times. Full force. It's not breaking. This is Yonex Astrox Attack 9. See. So I'm very impressed with this racket for now. Maybe in the future, I don't know. Even the grommets are still very good right now. See, these are the grommets, the holes where you insert the string. So I just want to review for you these guys, and before that I will tell my viewers not to buy this shuttlecock. Grade A is for 50 rupees per unit. This is for grade A plus is for 65 to 70 rupees per unit. So it's a waste of money. It's not value for money. It's not working very well. Then, but this racket, I got it from Flipkart. Seller is BTPLD. It's very good, right? And now I'm gonna